him get through here for a second. I'm hoping the angle of this camera is right. I'm such a rookie when it comes to putting these things together. It's something I definitely got to get better at. Just to be sure I stop here. A little bit of a tilt. Here we go. One thing I love about the young blood being out front for once is that I'm not catching all the daggone spider webs. I probably had 20 grams of protein in spiders this summer. Just a great trail so far, and really pumped about the development of this ride, and more importantly, the presence of two wheels up here, just being good stewards of the sport, having a great partner with Jason Cantrell at the Cub Mountain ATV Park. Everybody always asks, is he going to let side-by-sides in there and four-wheelers? Absolutely. However, one thing that Jason has recognized from the beginning is the impact of the two-wheel community and how having an incredible two-wheel only track system within that park that is well scrutinized and hopefully can hold up. And that's where, that's where we've been working together, is making sure that we're choosing the right topography and the right lines to where these things aren't getting blown out in a year or so. And then we'll probably miss it here and there. But I will say this, the ones that we used on the park land last year, which we did use that land last year, they've held up. They've held up real nice. And we've added some other ones that are really entertaining, challenging. Some of them have got some really tough lines, but great views and all that. Uh-oh. Caught the long log. Yep, those things. You're good. Riding smooth. You know your back tire still crossed over that, right? I mean, you can get out of there. I'm just letting you know. Just go for it. You're good. Yikes. You're over now. Don't worry, I'll edit this part out. Made the same daggone mistake. And so these lines look like they're pretty tough. I mean, we've had a lot of tracks on them, but tough in terms of integrity. They should hold. We all love the thrill of riding fast. with that in mind, like anybody that tries to maintain a good trail system, try to keep the roost to a minimum, especially if it's wet, which you know it probably will be. Big drop off, don't forget. Good. Type a little note here. Yikes. We'll come down through here and get some of these low branches at some point. I'm just chugging along here though. Headed to the last place that was left and hopefully tie it in today. We'll see how far we get. This entire segment right here will probably be just a little bit over 5 miles. And just so everybody's watching, when we leave on Saturday out of the park, it'll probably be close to maybe 15 or 16 miles of just this. A little bit of lit up, you know, a couple connectors on gravel road. Like the one where I started this video, that little short jog from my mom and dad's property that will lead over to the start of this section. But overall, just a ton of trail. Been getting a lot of questions on this TWRA high impact permit. Those of you that have, Tennessee residents that already have the fish and game hunt combo, you're good to go. Those of you out-of-staters that don't, the most economical way for us to access this land for this ride is that high impact. You know, over time, it'd be great to develop the partnership with the TWRA where they would just give us that one-day pass. I guess kind of like what they do with the LBL. We're working on that. And when we first started riding down here, this WMA Skinner Mountain was only maybe 8,000 acres. Over the last 3 years, it's expanded to nearly 20,000. Very, very good chunk of land with tons of great geography like you're seeing right now. And, you know, we can only hope that us doing things the right way and honest communication and doing the permitting will only help us grow this area to ride in the state of Tennessee even more. It's worth it, right? Definitely worth the work, and we appreciate everybody that comes every year. On the flip side, with Cub Mountain ATV Park, that's not ever going anywhere. And the opportunity for that to expand to be an oasis, as Mike Kennedy would say, is right there. It's gonna be really nice as the years go on. And the owner is incredible. Jason is all in on everything that we're doing. And we're just grateful. Grateful for the opportunity to work with him. Oh man. That's good. Yikes. Lost his rhythm. Amount of sawtooth briars that we've cut is insane. Those things are the worst. Rough line right there. Damn, child. Should have been looking ahead.